Hi, welcome to identityweek.net. Today we'll be discussing the partnership of IXLA and IAI, both acquired companies under the HID umbrella. I'm pleased to say now that I'm joined by Ferdinando Filippone, Head of Operations at IXLA, and Marcus Keel, Technical Product Manager at HID. IXLA was most recently acquired by HID, adding to their global portfolio complementary personalisation technologies, including laser engraving and inkjet printing for security documents. The two companies will be working closely together, and they're participating at Identity Week Europe in June. As silver sponsors, HID is a gold sponsor. It's great to speak to all of you today to discuss the news of the new arrangement and really the strength of the partnership going forward. Would you like to introduce yourselves and your kind of technical backgrounds?
Yeah, sure. Hi, Evie and industry friends and partners. Firstly, really appreciate the opportunity to interact with you, Evie, on this platform today. My name is Marcus Keel. I'm working in product management for IAI Systems, obviously part of the HID group in the secure issuance division. I'm long-standing in the identity market, having worked on many ID passport projects and have been primarily involved in the development of personalization solutions. And that's pretty much me, but I'd love to introduce you to my good friend Ferdy, who's on the call today as well, from our newly acquired sister company, IXLA.
Thank you. Thank you, Marcus. Thank you, Evie. And yeah, welcome to all the partners listening to it. My name is Ferdinando Filippone. I work for IXLA. I'm the head of operations, meaning that I'm lucky. I drive a fantastic team of people that work from design of products to engineering, manufacturing, logistics. And so really nice challenge, very, very interesting job. And like Marcus, just that I'm a bit older than he is. So I have, when I say I'm a veteran, I'm really a veteran, probably some 15 years more than he has. So I think really to be with IXLA in HID together with AI, working with people like Marcus, fantastic achievement in my career. So really glad to be here.
That's great. Great to meet you both. What are IXLA and IAI known for in the market? You've been around for a while. HID is well known as well. What do you specialize in?
Well, as many of you already know, IXLA and I have combined forces now, and that's really to enhance the card and personalization portfolio so that we can offer a complete and scalable range of solutions. And we're really well known as world leaders in the security document personalization market, and that's both from a decentralized and a centralized perspective. So we've got a lot of complementary understanding of this business, and we just want to continue to support our customer base in empowering security documents and offering the right personalization technologies with high quality features. Really, Evie. I'm sure Ferdy can add a little bit more because he's a veteran of the industry, as we know.
Yeah. No, the truth is we both work on very similar applications. Of course, the big difference being centralized by AI versus decentralized for IXLA. But we leverage similar technology. We are both recognized as having some kind of market recognition to be leaders, both of us. What I think is that while AI represents the benchmark in the space of the central issuance systems, the large machines that make hundreds, if not thousands of items an hour, they have a very high quality. The products, of course, they have very high quality security features. They really implement the reference for the market on all those aspects. We have almost the same role, but in a different segment where the efficiency, where the affordability and the ease of deployment is a key. And so we really complement each other. If you want something central, you go with II. If you want something on the desktop, you come to IXLA. If you want both together, you go to HID. That's the rule.
So it sounds
Uh,
like you're a really strong partnership. Sorry, did you have anything to add there?
I was just going to add that obviously there's an aligned goal there and a common vision, and that speaks volumes in the marketplace. And we're expanding our product portfolio together now, and thereby offering even more end-to-end solutions to our customers. And we unite the expertise of both decentralized and centralized personalization solutions. So partnership is there. It enables us to extend our reach and better address all the evolving needs of the market and our customers. And with a global presence, both have strong strategic partnerships and many key references globally.
You spoke there about, you're doing similar things and that that expertise can be used, leveraged together really. But how do you differentiate yourselves in the market and what is your strategic approach to maintaining a competitive edge in this industry?
Yeah, I think that I will start this first. I think that IXLA almost invented 20 years ago the desktop laser systems when my friend and colleague Renzo Eterno, who is very well known in the industry, started. He had in mind something, and there was nothing like that in the business, and so he really invented a new solution. And so, how this was made was we delivered what business was asking through large customers that were key integrators or manufacturers. I will not mention the names, but you can easily figure it. And the approach was we matched the requirement through a custom design, putting together something thanks to experience and vision and something that is very similar to what we do now. Now, after a long run, we are now a product company. We deliver a range of laser and now also inkjet. And those systems go into government and financial applications to do personalization on driving licenses, ID cards, military ID, high security government cards, passports, and also finance. And so the difference is basically we started with the project, we ended up with the products, and this keeps being our core business. Products, products, products.
Yeah, and here at IAI, again, we've implemented that product mindset alongside the projects where we're the trusted partner of choice for many of the secure document issuers, and we are working hard to continue to be that trusted partner, providing a reliable partnership to enable our customers to achieve their objectives in their projects: security, quality, time, cost, sustainability. We continue to work with our partners in this sort of trusted way to realize their features, ambitions, and these, like with IXLA, are around combining technologies and processes in an innovative way, in an effective way, and a way that provides security and ease of authentication in the security document range that we can offer. These new offerings include for paper substrates and polycarbonate substrates, because we're both very keen to support that document range that Ferdy mentioned, all the different vertical markets: financial, government, paper-based, polycarbonate-based, PVC-based. So yeah, we've got a lot of new offerings in these areas, one of which for IAI is the Paper Protect family, where we've really innovated into security papers. And obviously we have the evolving LCI color on polycarbonate family.
I think it's great to hear about all of this. Could you give us insight into your future plans and the upcoming projects that you're going to be working on your roadmap to really securing documents? Obviously, we spoke about you're going to be participating in Identity Week. There's lots of stakeholders from different sectors there. So how do your initiatives and plans align with the overall business goals?
Well, Evie, yeah, we're really looking forward to Identity Week because it's a great event for everyone. All the partners, suppliers, industry leaders are there together, and we have a combined booth there. And there we'll be presenting, talking about some of the new offerings. But we have a goal, obviously, to unworry our customers, and that's our main goal at IAI, and of course with the IXLA partnership, to support the personalised operations. And one of the areas that we've really sort of looked to grow into is how to unworry our customers through their operational use of the machines in the production environment as well. And there we've launched a new product line called Production Master, And production master stands for a centralized management approach when you're operationally running multiple machines, to be able to provide our customers with support tools to configure documents, to understand the performance of a group of machines together in an operational site, and to work in general with the multiple machines, the documents they produce, and to better understand and visualize their performance operationally. Also across the range of machines that we've got, which is obviously Bookmaster and Cardmaster platforms, we've developed a range of new functionalities and upgrade packages to ensure both efficiency and operation, and enhance the usability for our customers. And there we've really like to share some of those new innovations and developments. For example, we have another product line introduced called Quality Master, where we take on board the needs of ensuring the high accuracy of the documents that our machines produce. And alongside that, things like automatic cleaning of inkjet stations, and this whole range of sort of upgrade packages is available now across Bookmaster and Cardmaster. And love to chat through those things together with potential customers ID Week.
I would complement that saying that IXLA, we are strong believers of having a vision. I mean, nothing happens in technology, and especially in a niche market like ours, without having a vision. So this is something we have, and we really follow, and we have energy. We are determined. The team is determined. It's not a matter, of management, owners, or very high-end goals. It's really a fact that the team here is motivated to do that. We recently delivered to the market systems where we joined laser with inkjet. Of course, this was a challenge because here everything was about laser. Now, with inkjet, we have broken a barrier. We released some products already to the business, and we will keep doing. Of course, we will have a goal that is to align with IAI to give the market something that is perceived as equal. We will see if it will be forensic or not, but this is something we can work on. We have capabilities to do so. But our goal right now is to keep doing what our key business is, that is desktop, that are solid, that are affordable, that are simple, that are manageable. And this is what our customer like. We have more than 100 countries issuing documents with our systems because of it. You can deploy, you can assist, you can support much easier than sophisticated solution. And so these new products, we are happy with the acceptance we received. We have already live projects on them. We have a number of projects that are starting. And so we are very, very happy. We will keep trying to expand that offering. As I say, it's a challenge. We are not a huge company, but we have motivated people. So this is what we will do. We will keep renewing also the lasers. Technology is moving very fast. We have new generations of different laser with a lot of features that we can leverage to enhance performance, give better reliability and flexibility. And so we will do it. We will keep reinforcing the range.
It sounds like you've got a huge project line. Will you be demonstrating any of these products at the show? And what's your stand number so that people can find you and network on the day?
Yeah, sure. We've got a combined booth at Identity Week where both IAI and IXLA will be demonstrating both visually and with some of those solid machines that Ferdy mentioned from the IXLA range on the booth. Number 924. If I'll say it again, number 924. Please do come along, visit us, and we're more than happy to discuss your project needs or answer and field any questions that you might have.
Yeah, I would add that it was very nice first to have this conversation. Thank you very much, Avi, because I really liked it. It is not so often that you can share ideas like this. It's much better to see the products than to talk about them. I agree with Marcus, and so visiting us is the better option. But rather than tell you the number, I will tell you that we have taralli, Parmesan cheese, good wine, and coffee. I'm sure that you will discover the booth number on your own to to enjoy it with us. And you're very welcome to come and see us. We will have an X-print system, printing passports live there with inkjet and laser. So this will be fun, I'm sure.
You've done this before. Yeah, that's events all over. Thank you so much, both of you, for joining me today, and see you in June in person.
We look forward to it, Evie. And again, thanks ever so much for the opportunity. And yeah, we look forward to seeing you all there in Amsterdam.
Thank
Thank
you.
you and ciao.